Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see that is how you need to start a freelancing work from a college first year, and this video is going to be a very special, and make sure that you watch the video till end, and whatever the video suggestion you have you can comment down. Let's get started and see how you need to start it. So as your college the first time start, you also need to start learning of any of a skill, and this skill can be any type of a skill. Means you can say that is a video editing, graphic designing, thumbnail design, or else we can see among a coding side that is you can developing some of web development, app development, like that way you can see developing side. Then if electric something we can say that is a electrical circuit designing, logic gates design, like that way different type of skills you can learn of it, and whichever skill you have interest you can learn it, and then you can start learning. And now here is a complete procedure, what all the things you need to be taking care of it, and how you need to start everything we are going to discuss. So let's begin. The learning process will be continued during your first sem of an colleges, and you need to also work on your studies also, and this you can do side by side also. So learning of a skill you must be do unnecessary. Then now you must be having a doubt that from where I would be learning this type of skills, and where I would be getting proper resources and all like that stuff. So you can check out the YouTube, and there have been a lot more videos available there. You can search through it. There have been various channels which provide different type of courses which are available in free, or else there have been some of tutorials also on YouTube, so you can check it out. And there have been also many of websites which provide a free crash course or a certification course. They are providing in completely free, so you can check it out. And few of a link I would be attaching in the link in the video description. You can go and check it out. Or at last you feel that I wanted to invest some of money in to upgrade my skill, then you can check out various platforms such as Udemy, Skillset, and there from that you can purchase few of a course of your skill that which you wanted to learn. And if you wanted to purchase any of a course of Udemy, then link would be given in the video description, and if you purchase from my link you will be getting a 10% of discount, and various courses have been available and a lot more content are being available. So here you can watch it and learn it very well. And whatever you are learning it, try to make a few of projects. But why you need to make project? Making of this project would be giving you hands-on experience that you need to do work like this or like that. Then this would be also giving a few of an experience. This would be also help you to understand all the concept, and like that way where to implement all the stuff. So you need to make a few of projects, and by doing this project you would be slowly build up your portfolio. Portfolio means what? You will be doing all the work which you are learning any of our skills, and by doing learning of skills you are doing a few of a project, and these projects you can keep in one of a portfolio where you can show this all the projects to the client, and a client would be also willing to know that what you have done and how you are doing. So client can also get a little trust, and he would be paying you extra as you have done much of things and done your project or portfolio very well, so that he can have a little bit trust, and like that way he would be giving you work, and like that way you can start a freelancing. One more important advice I would like to give, that is try to learn all those kind of skills within 6 to 7 months, and you should be also completing all your projects, and your portfolio must be ready. And other thing of skills that you can learn or later on also, whatever the client demand, like that way you can slowly learn it and work upon it, like that way you would be able to do and learn also. So like that way do not waste much of time in learning also. So once your portfolio is ready, you are ready to go to get your clients. But now major thing come, that is how you would be getting of clients, and how you must be reaching to clients. Everything we would be discuss. So let's begin. As in starting, it would be a little bit difficult for you to get your first client, but here are a few of ways that it would be help you to lot to get your first client. So first thing you need to do is that you can go on a various website or a platform. There you would be able to start your freelance work where there have been various and what you can say that you would be able to get a client. So there have been various websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, then Canva, then freelance work, people para, like there are many fun websites that are there, and I have also made one of a dedicated video, so you can check it out on iTab. There you can also get out which website you need to visit and how you need to do, and there from that you can get a work. And as you are searching your first project or a first client, so you need to do your work best, and you also need to take a minimal amount of charge, because as it is your first work, so try to take a minimal amount of charge and do your project best. And the second way is that you need to send a various cold email to the various person on your social media. Try to reach out to various people, and here you should be trying to reach out to various people, means you should be reaching out to the 100 or 200 people max to max, and try to send them a cold email that like that way, hey, I am an Aarsh and I am a great at video editing stuff, and you can share a link of all your projects which you have been edited. Like that you can sell all the stuff, and you will be discuss them that which role you will be working upon it and how much you must be charging, or like that is something you can describe about a cold email and send them, and like that way you will be able to send a videos of a cold email. Then there would be definitely few of a person would be replying to the cold email also, so like that way you will be able to get your client. So this is a second form, and I highly recommend most of the people used to try, and like that way also you can get your first client. And here also you can charge a minimal, then you can discuss with your client that what all things you need to do, and like that way you would be getting your first project. And like this we discuss about two methods, that like what are all things you need to do for getting your first client. So like that way you would be able to get your first client, and like that way you can complete your project. So as you complete your project first, and you had a little bit of an experience and what all things you need to do, like that way, so all the things you can be taken care of it, and then you are ready to search for your next project. Like that way you would be getting up a rating also on a few of an website that how you have done work, and like that way your rating must be improved, so you must be getting a lot of a project. So like that way you will be slowly you can start up on freelance work, and like that way you can work on it side hustle way, and you can earn a lot of money. And this freelancing work you can start whenever you feel. If you are in second year also, then also you can start third year also or fourth year. Like that way you can slowly start up by a single person. As if you are getting a lot of project, then you can hire often few of team members, and like that way you can work on it, and you can develop a company, and like that way you can start in freelance work. Remember one thing, that is this is a time taking process. This is not an overnight success journey, so it will be taking a little bit of time, but you will be able to grow, and you will be able to earn a lot of money. That's pretty much advice for this video. And if you have any of a doubt, comment down, and if you're watching video till end, you can comment down your favorite emoji. That's pretty much. See you in the next video. Till that time, keep learning, keep exploring.